everyone. I hope you are doing just fine. So wait, I will wear my specs. Oh, so here is an update. My feet is healing and I don't know much. Let me tilt this a bit. Okay, so and also I am having this tea. I'm having a green tea, but the fact is that since I could not find a tumbler, I am sipping this tea on this steel tumbler, and it is so hot that I can hardly hold it. So I'm using another small steel bowl so that I can hold it. And so I decided to show off something that I found today morning while I was arranging my room. So I found this little, not so little, but a pouch, and I'm going to like. I'm so sorry. It was just chained up like this, and I opened it, and this pouches came out. So I'm going to show off. You can see that it was like I don't know why, but I did arrange this pouch long back, and it like I was you know I opened this pouch and I saw that there are so many things, and I had kind of arranged this pouch for maybe I just don't even remember it. Probably I was like, okay, what if I go somewhere, I travel somewhere, and I need this pouch? So here it is, and I'm going to show you what all I have got. So I found it accidentally, and I did not even remember that I had packed all these things. So here it is. So I need to use this. These are like two pouches of, guess what? These are two pouches of face pack. So I don't use much product. I hardly use any product, and soon you will see a video on that. Now these are two pouches of face pack. I need to use it, and I will let you know how I found it to be. So two pouches, they cost me nothing more than 10 rupees. I can call this a self-care pouch. So this is what I found from my self-care book. First of all, these two pouches of face pack. Then I found out tissue papers, like they are scented, and yeah, it is sealed, as you can see, sealed. And so this is really cool. It is completely closed, and there is no uh, scene there or any situation where the tissue will get dirty. You can just take out one after the other and use it. So the tissues are folded. You can just take out one and keep on using it. By the way, this is my I am at home band. You can see that it has heart shaped beads on it. Now, what do I mean by wearing this band? I will explain that to you in my next video. It has a huge significance. I will explain it to you. So, okay, so how many tissues I have total? I have one. This is only, you can see. Um, see, some are folded, some are even folded. So you can just take out one. So I had used one, and I had checked that okay, I don't need, and I had put it back over there. And if I pull it out, it will be like visible. I'll show you. So it is folded like this. These used to be scented. The scent is gone from this one because I have you know not been able to. I'll just open my specs. I think my eyes are healed because I have decided not to use that much of what can I say? Like long back, I got this dry eyes lotion, but this doctor, my eye doctor, she suggested that since like after using those eye drops, I started to have problems. Like I could hardly see, and my doctor suggested that you do not need to use it anymore because your eyes are healed. She checked my eye power and she told me it is healed. You do not need to use any medicine anymore. And my eyes are healed. Yeah, it can be healed. Don't worry. So here is the tissue, and you know it is scented. When you open a new pack, it is scented. So here is another pack of tissue, and here is another pack of tissue. Okay, so here is a soap, a bar of soap that I had got from a hotel. The name of the hotel is written on this side. I'm not going to reveal that name because I don't want to. Neither do I care that much about the hotel because I'm not there anymore. And it is also not one of my very favorite hotels. The experience was so bad. I will make a video on that as well. So this is. Can you see the nail polish? I put the nail polish and a friend just called me, and while speaking to her, I kept on picking on the nail polish, and now the nail polish is gone. So here is the bar of soap. It is so old, like it was locked inside this for such a long time that you can see that it is kind of being scaling off, but it's okay. Also, here is a little postcard with a envelope. I have not opened it, but this is what it kind of looks like. And yes, so this side is an envelope. You can see the closing, and this side is a cute little painting. Nice, isn't it? I don't know why and how did I pack all these, but it is here. Some little ear studs. And it is such a coincidence. Just yesterday, while walking, like during my vacation, I was on vacation, and I was just thinking that I need to buy some better ear studs. Like for long, I have not been wearing ear studs at all. So, and I found these. Like, look at these pairs; they're so cute. The blue and silver one. They look very vintage and traditional. And here is a, I don't know if I should be showing this off, but here is a pair of gold ear studs. Maybe I should wear them. Nice design, square and very what can I say? Very simple and very calm and quiet kind of a design. But I don't know why, but somehow they remind me of um, codes. They remind me of cryptic codes, but this is nothing cryptic, okay? Nowadays, it has become a trend that, oh, that actress was wearing that thing. There is some design. Is there something cryptic? Oh, that thing was visible on that person's jacket. Is there something cryptic? And the worst part is that somewhere I've seen that there is this speculation that one performer, while being on stage, did a kind of some signal, some hand gesture, some sort of a design with their hand, and people started to think that the person belongs to a secret sect, and they're trying to send some secret messages across the globe. I'm not sure if that is what they are trying to do. If they are trying to do that, then it is pretty interesting. If they're not trying to do it, that is also okay. Do not brand someone for something wrong. That is so wrong. Anyways, now these are, look how shiny. They are just imitation, okay? I'm not sure even if they are American diamond or something. Just two pairs of things that I have found from somewhere. Nice, isn't it? So here is another. Oh, I keep on finding when I find things. I keep on finding. This is another thing about me. When I keep on finding things, I keep on finding. So here is another beautiful roses, orange roses, and they're beautiful. So here is another. I have lots of studs. I will show them off to you. Here is this two pink studs. I really like the combination. Just look how beautiful they look together, pink and gold. Nice, isn't it? Okay, so I'm closing this. Who doesn't like that sound? Anyway, so here is a pumic stone. I had made a video on sea sponges, and here is a pumic stone, and this stone is for scrubbing. You can scrub your face, but it is suggested that you can scrub your foot, those or those areas where a lot of dead cells or dead skin does get accumulated. So this is that place. I mean, this is that stone, and you get it from. I mean, we usually find it near the sea. So they get it from the seashores and they shape it this way. You find pumic stone of different price and shape and sizes. Some are shaped like just another stone or pebble, but this one is shaped pretty, it is called oblong, not oval, oblong. So I was about to say it is oval. So now this pouch is really turning out to be my go-to pouch. I don't know how I forgot about this. So here are two bandages. I fancy about pouches where from I find bandages. So here are two bandages so that I do not need to worry. Here is a P-Safe. So you know what P-Safe is for. I mean, P-Safe means, I'll tell you how you use it. Let's say you're traveling or you're at office and you want to go to the washroom, so you spray it on the toilet seat before you use the toilets. That way you do not attract urinary tract infection, or you do not attract other kind of infection, etc., etc. So here is a hair clutch. You get to do these with your hair, and it's nice and cozy. And here is something that I was stunned that I could do this for myself. So I found nothing more than this inside it. Coins and coins. This little pouch is just a little pouch, and you can see like this much of coins, but definitely a savior when you are in need of some money. I can assume that it has close to 50 rupees. Like 50 rupees is enough for, let's say you are somewhere in my city, or I believe in any city out there, you can at least take a bus or like a that like the kind of rickshaw that is driven by a rickshaw operator. But no, not. I mean, don't depend on 50 rupees while you're outside. You will be stranded because sometimes the transport fares is not just 50 rupees. Everybody out there knows that. So here it is. You like that noise, right? It's very happy noise. Anyways, this is a paper marker or a page marker. Whenever you need this, it is there. And here is also this two scrunchies. I like the scrunchies. So that is it. And yeah, I'm having my tea. And what else? Now, what is left on this pouch is the pouch itself. Nothing more, nothing less. Beautiful heart shaped designs you can see. Wait, just observe this heart shaped designs. Beautiful, isn't it? So that is what it is, and also I will be doing more videos. I found more things to show you. Very, and some of them are very important. So here is what I have figured out. You can live life happily with yourself. Don't be in a doubt. Stay tuned for more.